Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny, and today we're going with Michael and Steven to Portland. Look at this man. Woo! What's up, dude? Alright guys, gonna go meet Steven. Let's go. Bike ward. Beautiful day out. Alrighty guys, we are going to Portland now with Steven. We're gonna go pick up his new motor for the Miata. And then we're gonna go to the Red Door meet. So I've never been to the Red Door meet. Let's get it. Let's go, Portland. Catch you guys there. Battleground, another half hour before we get to the place for the engine pull, but yeah, looking pretty good so far. Ran into some traffic right as we were exiting. Look at this shit. So yeah, really not trying to deal with that, but we're good to go. Gonna go grab this engine and then hit that meet. I'm very excited. We are very excited to be there. So hopefully we get there on time, and hopefully picking up the motor doesn't take too long. Don't know what's going on, but for sure. Yeah, we're just gonna pick it up, so it's gonna be good. Let's do it.
I blew a brake line.
You think?
Yeah, I blew a brake line. That's bad.
It smells bad. Alright, what happened? What happened?
I blew a brake line. That's what happened.
Blew a brake line. Fuck. Alright.
Yep, look, it's wet. You're happy now. See, it's all wet?
Yeah. Shit. A little gleam in the wheels there.
Look at my hands a little nasty. I feel for it.
Damn.
I need to turn the wheel.
Well, we're here, guys. Steven's turning around over there. He's got the van. But it's kind of a setback.
It's got like the alternator's good still. Like I just had to get a new alternator.
Over the oil filter, is this still good or is this old? Probably old now.
Alright guys, we are going to go ahead and take the motor. I'm going to set you guys down for a little bit. I'm going to help Steven actually move the motor in. And then, yeah, we'll take a look at it out here. So, we are going to AutoZone right now, real quick. Grab a generic brake line and then come and see if we can actually install that. Hopefully it works. We don't know yet, but yeah. Let's hope that this trip goes smoothly because I do have work tomorrow.
Huh? You know what?
Alright, we just grabbed all the shit from AutoZone. We got some, what is that? Is that brake cleaner?
I have 2 cans of brake line, brake cleaner.
Oh, well, he grabbed it. It's fine. Just it's fine.
We got some brake fluid
right here.
And then we got some lines,
some clamps.
So main plan is we're gonna clamp the line so it's sealed off, and I'll be driving with 3 sets of brakes. Or I can do something really stupid and kind of make my own brake line, but this is like extremely stupid, so...
Yeah, don't do this at home. We just picked up some dank food. Not really, it's like just fucking Panda Express, but now we're gonna go get some bubble tea. So, hell yeah. Let's do it. Alright, Steven, how you feeling?
I don't know, man. I mean, new motor and stuff. I'm just hungry, bro, honestly.
Me too.
Like, I'm hangry, you know? I mean, and then we got some boba.
Oh yeah.
That even takes longer because now we have to wait for the drinks and then
we have to go fix Michael's car.
yeah, and so we don't get the food until like.
Oh, we're gonna eat while he's fixing it.
Oh, I'm gonna eat, yeah. That's for sure. I'm gonna watch him suffer.
Me too. It was his mistake. What are you thinking right now?
Me? I'm thinking that my car's really low, and I saw his jack at his house.
And it's pretty big.
It's a big looking jack, so I might need to run over your foot or something so I can get that jack underneath and raise up the car.
Steven's foot.
Somebody's foot.
I ain't got big
sacrifice.
I ain't got big ass feet.
I mean, you could take your shoes off and stack them, and I'll drive right on top of them.
Oh, hell no.
Who's got the more
Got the
warm?
Roches, bro. I don't know, mine are pretty primo. I don't know, man.
Somebody be a friend, come on.
Alright.
Look out for me.
Alright.
If I get a chill though, I might as well take the bumper off and then that wouldn't be a problem.
We should get rid of Steven's high school skate shoes. Alrighty guys, got the teas, got the rose milk tea boy with the boba. Let's get out of here. Alright guys, we're back at the car. Michael's gonna roll his car up on some shoes so we can fix those brake lines. Go for it. Perfect. Look at that. Now can we get under?
Maybe. This is how I like to jack up the car. Fuck it, dude. Got this. Can you turn my car off?
Yeah.
Turn the key.
Quick release.
Don't make fun of me.
Hell yeah, bro.
I'm the no shoes mechanic.
He's got no shoes on.
It's the only way to do it.
Today on Getting Dirty with Michael, we're gonna be getting dirty under the car.
You mean me?
I'm coming. I'm on my way.
You're a witness.
All
So
right.
as you can tell, right there,
Well, you can't really see anything on camera, so.
that's all they do with the cameraman, not me. Basically, right here on the line is rubbing against the half shaft, and it wore away, and pop goes the line.
Pop goes the wine?
The line went pop.
Oh, the line.
The line, the brake line. So
like
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the brake line off, and I'm gonna crimp it. So I'll have all my other brakes, but this one.
Alright. Well, hopefully that works.
It will work.
Let's do it.
I go to school for stuff like this, you know, this janky shit.
Hi, Steven.
What's up, man?
Bye, Steven.
What's up, man?
He said bye. How's that food treating you?
Fucking dank, bro.
Oh, yeah?
I'm out here hangry, dude.
Passenger side, can you get me the little clamps? The bigger set one.
Okay.
What the big boy?
The red ones?
Yeah, and the brake clean nut?
And the what?
And the brake clean nut?
The what? The brake cleaner?
The brake clean nut.
Here.
You know? Oh, actually, pretty much need everything.
Hi.
There you go, big boy.
Yo, man, just grab everything.
Grab everything.
Fuck the clamp.
Don't grab the clamps. Here's some brake fluid. Nice. I wonder if we need the other can of brake clean. I'm gonna grab it anyway, just in case. Oh my god, I can't do this with... There we go.
Say.
I can make sure I don't leak.
This looks got 8. We're gonna fix this shit so nice, guys. Yeah? We'll fix it real good.
It's gotta be nice. Keeps falling out. There we go.
Oh, it's a 7,
You
dude.
don't know mechanics though. I'm joking. Don't hate me. Yo, man, you don't know sockets either, man. This is too big.
No, I just want to eat.
What is that?
Oh,
I need a
dude,
smaller one.
It's a 7.
Oh.
You need a smaller?
Yeah.
6?
Whatever's smaller than that.
6.
6. Here.
I don't ask for a lot, okay? Just the basic essentials. And this doesn't fucking fit either.
5?
Whatever's in between. Did you give me like a whole 2 sizes big, smaller?
Nope. He just put it in the wrong fucking place.
Yeah.
did I?
Fuck, man, Asians. I'm joking.
Did I?
Just kidding. I'm only kidding.
This is an 8 mil.
Yo,
This
man,
says 7 on it. I don't know what you're...
I need that.
Are you tripping, bro?
Alright, bro.
Yo,
You want to put it in the brake
don't
fluid
lean
now?
on the car. I will fucking die.
Yeah, dude.
Let's not test this theory.
Lean all you want.
I need to play.
Oh, fuck.
For it, man.
Got it? You got this, Steven? Can you do it?
Where was
Yeah.
it though? Was it
It's at
all
the
way to
line now.
bottom? Was it
It's at-
gone?
Yeah, was it gone?
Wait, what?
Was it
Fluid all
completely
the way
empty?
gone,
Oh, I don't know. I didn't pay attention, dude. I actually did it.
though? I'm just curious
Michael
if, like,
doesn't
rain
like this
a lot.
rose milk tea, man.
Shit, I mean, it smelled.
Explain yourself, man.
Me?
Yeah.
I can't talk real well when I'm working.
Okay, guys, we just wrapped this up pretty much. We're just gonna use some brake clean, hit that shit everywhere, and then hopefully we'll be back on the road. We'll have 3 brakes, and then he'll have another line back home, ready to go, ready to swap.
Michael, come down. You go to the red door to meet now. Alright, work. How you feeling?
I hope you enjoyed that footage of the red door meet. We ended up getting there. Michael here was like, "Yo, dude, we can make it."
I
and
saved it,
we fucking
actually.
made it. We made it. We made it.
The mechanical knowledge saved
Yep,
us.
he did it. So, you know what, guys? I hope you enjoyed that footage of the red door meet. It was a really fun experience. I mean, it was our first time going, or my first time going, and we got there late just because of the complications with the brake line. But you know what? It's fine. We're gonna go again for a bigger event next time. Just because today was also Father's Day. Today's Sunday, Father's Day, 2019. Yeah. Happy Father's Day to all y'all. I mean, y'all won't see this anyway, but there's Steven over there. What you doing, boy? Oh, he's vaping.
Thug life, Steve.
Thug life. Yeah, dude. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.